It's frustrating when your robot vacuum breaks suddenly, but you don't know what to do. Check out these 3 steps. If your Roborock S7 robot vacuum keeps giving you errors. Step 1. First, reach out to us for a quick diagnosis. We'll be able to identify the problem quickly and recommend the best solution. In the case of this robot vacuum, we diagnosed a faulty left cliff sensor and it's dirty inside. How can it be this dirty? What exactly does this robot vacuum clean? It's overworked. Step 2. Trust our experts. Once you know the problem, it's time to leave it to the pros. For this case, cliff sensor replacement and deep cleaning service are recommended. When our suggestion was accepted, we started service and repair. Step 3. Enjoy the results. Take it home and enjoy a robot vacuum that works smoothly again. Let's do these 3 steps together.